माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
National anthem. Oath or affirmation.
Jharkhand, Shri M.J. Akbar.
I, M.J. Akbar, having been elected a member of the Council of States, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Welcome. Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Shri Govind Rao Adik, Shri Ghulam Muhammad Mir, and Shri Surendra Kumar Singh, former members of this House. Shri Govind Rao Adik passed away on the 6th of June 2015 at the age of 76 years. Born in June 1939 at Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra, Shri Govind Rao Adik was educated at MES College, now Garwade College, and Law College, Pune. An advocate by profession, Shri Adik practiced law in Sri Rampur, Maharashtra from 1966 to 1971. He was the chairman of the Belapur Sugar and Allied Industries Limited and founder of the Consumers Cooperative, Sri Rampur, Maharashtra. He served as the president of the Rashtriya State Transport Kamgar Congress, the Government of India Press Employees Union, Delhi, and the Indian National Trade Union Congress, Maharashtra. He was also the director of the Environmental and Consumer Protection Foundation, Delhi. As a social worker, Shri Adik was actively involved with the workers' movement, rural growth, and economic development of backward areas. He was instrumental in establishing the Foundation for Rural Integration, Education, Nutrition, and Development Services, or known as FRIENDS, devoted for the development and upliftment of the rural masses. Shri Adik was also the founder and executive president of the Nav Bharat Abhiyan, founder chairman of the Maharashtra Krishak Samaj, and founder and chief editor of the weekly Sri Rampur Times. He also served as chairman of the Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation from 1990 to 1992. Shri Govind Rao Adik started his legislative career as a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly in 1972 and was a member of that assembly for 3 consecutive terms from 1972 to 1978, from 1978 to 1980, and from 1980 to 1985. He was also a member of the Maharashtra Legislative Council for 2 consecutive terms, from July 2000 to June 2006, and again from June 2006 to March 2009. He served as a cabinet minister in the government of Maharashtra and held the portfolios of Irrigation and Command Area Development Authority, Law and Judiciary, Information and Publicity departments from 1979 to 1980, and of Agriculture and Law and Judiciary from January 2003 to October 2005. Shri Govind Rao Adik represented the state of Maharashtra in this House for 3 terms, from August 1993 to April 1994, from April 1994 to April 2000, and again from August 2009 to April 2012. In the passing away of Shri Govind Rao Adik, the country has lost an able administrator, a distinguished parliamentarian, and a dedicated social worker. Shri Ghulam Muhammad Mir passed away on the 12th of June 2015 at the age of 83 years. Born in April 1932 in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir, Shri Ghulam Muhammad Mir was educated at Tyndale Biscoe Memorial College, Srinagar, and the St. Stephen's College and the Faculty of Law, Delhi University. An advocate by profession, Shri Mir served as President of the Municipal Council Poonch in 1958. He was an active member in several committees of the state legislature and other organizations, and contributed significantly towards the upliftment of the weaker and the downtrodden sections of the society. Shri Ghulam Muhammad Mir started his legislative career as a member of the Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Council in 1962. He was also a member of the Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly twice, in 1967 and 1972. He served as the Minister of State for Irrigation and Power, Parliamentary Affairs, and Labour and Social Welfare in the government of Jammu and Kashmir. Shri Ghulam Muhammad Mir represented the state of Jammu and Kashmir in this House from April 1964 to March 1967. In the passing away of Shri Ghulam Muhammad Mir, the country has lost a distinguished parliamentarian and an able administrator. Shri Surendra Kumar Singh passed away on the 13th of June 2015 at the age of 82 years. Born in September 1932 at Raigarh district in Chhattisgarh, Shri Surendra Kumar Singh was educated at Rajkumar College, Jaipur, Mayo College, Ajmer, and St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. An agriculturist, Shri Singh served as the president of the Chhattisgarh Sangharsh Morcha, Raigarh. He worked tirelessly for the upliftment of the tribal and the downtrodden sections of the society. He contributed significantly to the revival of the cultural heritage of Raigarh, especially the works of Sangeet Samrat Raj Charakar Sangh, founder of the Raigarh Gharana of Kathak dance, and also the tribal folk dances of Raigarh. Shri Surendra Kumar Singh started his legislative career as a member of the Madhya Pradesh Legislative Assembly in 1962 and was a member of that assembly from 1962 to 1967 and also from 1972 to 1990. Shri Surendra Kumar Singh represented the state of Madhya Pradesh in this House from April 1996 to October 2000 and the state of Chhattisgarh from November 2000 to April 2002. In the passing away of Shri Surendra Kumar Singh, the country has lost a distinguished parliamentarian and a dedicated social worker. We deeply mourn the passing away of Shri Govind Rao Adik, Shri Ghulam Muhammad Mir, and Shri Surendra Kumar Singh. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved families our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Honorable members, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO successfully launched PSLV C-28, the heaviest commercial launch since its inception, from the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota on the 10th of July 2015. The successful launch adds yet another significant milestone in the Indian space technology. The credit for this landmark achievement undoubtedly goes to our scientific community, particularly those working with ISRO. On behalf of the House and on my own behalf, I congratulate the scientists and engineers who were associated with this project. And I do hope that they will continue to scale greater heights and make the country proud of their achievements. Honorable members, it is with a sense of great pride to mention that 3 Indian tennis players won titles at the prestigious Wimbledon Lawn Tennis Championship held in London in July this year. Ms. Sania Mirza became the first Indian to win the women's doubles. Shri Leander Paes won the mixed doubles, and Shri Sumit Nagal won the boys' double title. Their achievements would be a great source of inspiration for our younger generation and particularly sports persons throughout the country. On behalf of the House and on my own behalf, I congratulate Ms. Sania Mirza, Shri Leander Paes, and Shri Sumit Nagal and wish them the best, the very best in all their future endeavors. Papers to be laid on the table. Secretary General.
I beg to lay on the table a statement in English and Hindi showing the bills passed by the Houses of Parliament during the 235th session of the Rajya Sabha and assented to by the President. I beg to lay on the table a copy of the Whistleblowers Protection Amendment Bill 2015 passed by the Lok Sabha on 13th of May 2015.
Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Sir, with your kind permission, I beg to lay the table under the sub-class A of class 2 of Article 123 of the Constitution, a copy of each in English and Hindi of the following ordinance: the right to fair compensation and transparency in the land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement amendment, second ordinance 2015. The negotiable instrument amendment ordinance 2015.
Sri Jain Sinha.
The table of the House papers mentioned against my name in the revised list of business for today at serial number 3.
Colonel Rajavardhana Singh Rathore.
So I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 4 of today's revised list of business.
Message from the Lok Sabha Secretary General. Okay. Statement regarding ordinance. Sri Arun Jaitley.
So I rise to lay on the table a statement in English and Hindi explaining the circumstances which had necessitated immediate legislation by promulgation of the Negotiable Instruments Amendment Ordinance 2015.
Reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forest. Sri Ashwini Kumar.
Sir, I beg to present the following reports in English and Hindi of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests. 261st report on pollution in Tier 2 cities of Punjab, Ludhiana and Amritsar. 262nd report on effects of pollution on Taj. 263rd report on high-level committee report to review various acts administered by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and 264th report on environmental issues in Mumbai and Visakhapatnam. I also lay a copy of the evidence tendered before the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forest in relation to its 263rd report on high-level committee report to review various acts administered by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change.
Now, evidence tendered before the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forest. Sri Ashwini Kumar. to lay.
Valid.
Already laid.
I also lay a copy of the evidence tendered before the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests in relation to its 263rd report on high-level committee report to review various acts administered by the Minister of Environment, Forests and Climate Change.
Yes, matters to be raised with permission.
Under 267,
No, please, don't display such posters. No, please don't display the posters. Please don't do that. No, please. Please don't display the posters. Sri Neelam. No, please don't do that. See, please don't do that. Mr. Rao. Mr. Rao. No, please don't do that. No, don't do that. No, please. Don't do that. Mr. Hanuman Rao. Mr. Hanuman Rao, please. Don't do that. Mr. Hanuman Rao, please. No, don't do that. No. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Yes. Okay.
Sir.
No.
sir.
All right,
Deputy
I'll
Chairman,
come.
sir.
I'll come to you. I'll come to you.
Sir,
See,
I have-
yes, there is notice.
Sir,
I will give a chance. Listen.
Thank you,
There
sir.
is, yes, there is notice under 267
Sir.
for suspension of rules, etc. Notices are from Sri Anand Sharma, Pramod Tiwari, Naresh Agarwal, then T.K. Rangarajan, K.N. Gole. But some of the notices are not in order also. But I have to decide whether the motion is to be allowed or not. So the first notice, I will allow you in 2 or 3 minutes you explain. Don't take more than 3 minutes.
no, sir.
3 minutes only. You
Deputy
have to-
Chairman, sir.
No, only those who give
मैं
notice.
आपके माध्यम से इस सदन के अंदर और सदन के माध्यम से देश के सामने एक बात जो ज्वलंत
If
विषय
I,
सामने आया है वो रखना चाहता हूं। पिछले सत्र और इस सत्र के अंतराल में कुछ बातें सामने आई जिससे बुनियादी सवाल खड़ा हुआ कि पिछले चुनाव के बाद भारत के प्रधानमंत्री माननीय श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो देश की जनता को आश्वासन दिया था कि उनके शासन में पारदर्शिता होगी, ईमानदारी होगी, भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगी और जवाबदेही तय होगी, वो चारों बातें इस घटनाक्रम जो हुआ है उससे गलत हो रही हैं। इस देश में, इस सदन में माननीय नेता सदन जो वित्त मंत्री हैं, दिसंबर महीने में आपने सदन को सूचना दी और मार्च महीने में आपके माननीय राज्य मंत्री जी जयंत सिन्हा जी आपने सूचना दी किसी ललित मोदी नाम के व्यक्ति के खिलाफ 14 मुकदमे FIRs हैं एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टोरेट की। आपने देश को सूचना दी मार्च महीने में कि ब्लू कॉर्नर नोटिस इस व्यक्ति के खिलाफ भारत ने इंटरपोल के माध्यम से जारी किया है। इस व्यक्ति सरकार बदलती है, कानून नहीं बदलता। माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टोरेट ने प्रयास किया कि व्यक्ति आए, जांच के लिए पेश हो और उसके बाद उस पर कार्रवाई हो। वो देश छोड़कर चले गए, जांच में शामिल नहीं हुए। भारत सरकार ने बार बार आग्रह किया इंग्लैंड की सरकार से कि ये इनकी तलाश कानून को है, इसलिए इस व्यक्ति को इंग्लैंड छोड़ने ना दिया जाए, इसको भारत वापस भेजा जाए। माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, पिछले अगस्त महीने में एक घटना घटी जिसकी जानकारी सदन को, देश को, किसी व्यक्ति को नहीं थी। इस सरकार के सत्ता में आने के 2.5 महीने के अंदर ही, मैं बड़े दुख के साथ इस बात को कहता हूं, मैं सम्मान करता हूं भारत की विदेश मंत्री का, उन्होंने ब्रिटेन की सरकार से ये कहा कि इस व्यक्ति को वहां के ट्रैवल डॉक्यूमेंट्स दे दिए जाएं। कहा यह गया कि कोई मानवता की बात थी, कोई पत्नी के इलाज की बात थी।
मैं मान सकता हूं कि अगर उनको यह विश्वास दिलाया गया हो। बाद की जो जानकारी आई है वो भी बिल्कुल गलत थी। वो व्यक्ति पर्यटन के लिए, मौज मस्ती के लिए वो ट्रैवल डॉक्यूमेंट्स ब्रिटेन के लेके पूरी दुनिया में घूम रहे हैं। कभी हवाना में है, कभी मॉन्टेनिग्रो में है, कभी वो वेनिस में है। तो ये मानवता कहां कहां बिखर रही है, कहां कहां वो दर्द मानवता का है, ये प्रश्न है। माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, अगर मान भी लिया जाए कि सरकार और विदेश मंत्री संतुष्ट थे इस बात से, तो वो भारत के नागरिक हैं। उनका आग्रह भारत की सरकार से होना चाहिए था, और अगर पर्यटन के यात्रा के कागज हैं वो भारत को देने चाहिए थे। पहले मुझे अपनी बात खत्म करने दी जाए सर। और इसी व्यक्ति के लिए ये बात तब सामने आई जब इंग्लैंड के अंदर जांच शुरू हुई। भारत को 10 महीने के बाद पता लगा लंदन से। दूसरी बात,
All right. No,
इसी व्यक्ति के वहां के रेजिडेंस के पक्ष में
I have not permitted the motion. I only.
Sir, please.
I have not decided.
Please, sir, I seek your indulgence, sir. Sir, I seek your indulgence, not interruption by the treasury benches. Sir, please. Sir, I seek your indulgence. Sir.
I'll call it.
Sir, please. Sir, it's
Now
not.
you have to conclude.
But the matter is not over, sir.
You have to conclude.
Then,
I
to
have not
support
permitted
the
the motion.
application of British residents of this very person who is wanted by law, a senior leader, a serving
Okay.
chief minister, gave an affidavit and said that this must not
Don't
be
go to the
disclosed
merit.
to the Indian government.
Don't go to the
Chief
merit.
Minister of Rajasthan.
Don't go to the
We will-
merit.
No, sir. This is an issue
Yes.
when it comes to
Don't go to
propriety,
the merit.
when it comes to probity.
Don't go to the
Sir,
merit.
I'm not going into the merits. I'm stating
no.
a fact. I'm stating a
I have
fact.
to decide. That's
I will
all.
produce before this house
Okay.
that affidavit. But sir,
Okay.
मुझे ये कहना है कि आपने जो कहा था, आपने मर्यादा तोड़ी है, आपने
No, this
गरिमा
all you
तोड़ी
can
है।
say at the time of
इन
discussion.
कार्यों से
Not now.
ये सदन जवाबदेही तय करेगा।
No, see.
मर्यादा, भ्रष्टाचार को
All
सुरक्षा
these you
दिया
can
है।
say
पद का
if we
दुरुपयोग
take up
किया
it for
है।
discussion.
It is gross impropriety. It is gross
See, now the
impropriety.
question.
This
Now the
house
question is
must
only.
enforce accountability of
Now-
the government.
Yes.
We
Now,
have to enforce
now see,
accountability.
Anand Sharma, please.
No.
Anand Sharma, please.
Sir, only the
No,
Prime
you cannot
Minister-
discuss now.
Only the Prime Minister.
No, don't discuss
Prime
now.
Minister must come. Prime Minister will have to answer.
May I?
Sri Anand Sharma.
Prime Minister
Okay.
cannot escape.
No, that's enough.
वो मौन व्रत धारण करके बैठे।
Please take your seat.
मौन व्रत पर हैं।
Now, please.
दुनिया में बोलते
Now,
हैं।
Sri Arun Jaitley. Sri Arun Jaitley. Sri Arun Jaitley, I called him. Arun Jaitley. I'll do it.
आप सुन
Listen
लीजिए
to
उसके बाद।
Sri Arun Jaitley.
1 minute.
He wanted I allow. Sri Arun Jaitley. Leader of the House wants. Leader of the House wants to speak. I have to allow. Leader of the House wants to speak. You sit down. Yes, I will call you. I will call you. Leader of the House wants to speak. I have to allow.
माननीय सभापति जी,
No. Leader of the House wants to speak, so I am allowing. Let me. No, that is up to him. That is up to him. When he wants to speak,
माननीय सभापति जी,
yeah. Let me listen to what he says. Actually, let me listen to what he says. Let me listen to what he. I will call you also. I will allow you also. I will allow you also. No. See, when the leader of the house himself wants to speak, chair has to allow him. I will allow you also.
माननीय उपसभापति जी, श्री
Listen to
आनंद
this.
शर्मा ने
Listen to Sri Arun Jaitley. Leader of the House has to be heard in silence. See, now listen. Leader of the House has to be heard in silence. I permitted him So please listen.
आप
Anand
सबको
Sharma,
बोलने दीजिए, मेरी
please
बात सुन
listen to.
लीजिए।
No. No. No, no. Let me. What is the? You listen to him and after that I will allow you. Yes. Please, please. Now, Mr. Hanumanth Rao, it is wrong on your part. Hanumanth Rao, please don't display the poster. Don't do that. Hanumanth Rao.
माननीय उपसभापति जी,
Sri Hanumanth Rao, don't do that. Please go back. Hanumanth Rao, please go back. Don't do that. Don't display. No, you can't do that. She is an honorable member of the House. You can't do that. No, you can't do that. If your allegation give notice, don't do that.
माननीय उपसभापति जी,
Listen to. Please listen.
माननीय उपसभापति जी,
Yes, please.
मैं सारा विवाद समाप्त कर देता हूं। श्री आनंद शर्मा जी का यह कहना है कि नियम 267 के तहत नियम सस्पेंड करके इस विषय पे चर्चा होनी चाहिए। चर्चा को तुरंत आरंभ कीजिए। विदेश मंत्री श्रीमती सुषमा स्वराज आकर उसका तुरंत जवाब देंगे। यू स्टार्ट द डिस्कशन राइट नाउ।
No, honorable, please listen.
We are conceding.
Leader of the House was agreed for discussion. Then what is your problem? He has agreed for discussion. What is your problem? What can I do? No, he is agreeing for discussion. Yes, Yechuri. Mr. Yechuri, leader of the House has agreed for discussion. Then what is the problem? If all of you go back, we can start discussion. I got your point. I understand your point, but leader of the House wanted to speak, then I have to allow. House is adjourned up to 12 noon. Adjourned up to 12:00 noon. 12 बजे